Good morning, children, and welcome to all of you in online classes. Dear students, today I am going to teach you the new chapter of your Bistas book, and the name of chapter is Should Wizard Hit Mummy? Dear students, here in the title wizard means magician, the person who knows magic, the person who is expert of magic is known as wizard. This particular lesson, Should Wizard Hit Mummy, was written by one of the famous and renowned American writers, poets, and story writers, or his name is John Updike. Mr. John Updike was a famous American writer, poet, and storyteller. And he was born on March 18, 1932. Once again, I am telling you, Mr. John Updike was born on 18th March 1932 and he died on 27th January 2009. Mr. John Updike has written many novels, more than 20 novels, or he is a famous novelist, or his novels are in category of bestsellers. Dear students, Mr. John Updike was an American novelist, a well-known and renowned poet, and a story writer. He got many prizes and many awards, but one thing which I want to tell you that is very, very important, कि Mr. John Updike was such a novelist who won Pulitzer Prize for his excellent contribution in the field of literature twice. Once in 1982 or second time 1990. For his two great novels, and the first novel was Rabbit is Rich and second one was Rabbit at Rest. Dear students, these two famous novels, Rabbit is Rich and Rabbit at Rest, for these two novels he got Pulitzer Prize for his excellent contribution in the field of literature as a novelist. He worked as a poet also and as a story writer, and he has written many stories and many poems and many novels. And one more thing I want to tell you, dear children, कि Mr. John Updike was greatly inspired by his mother, because when Mr. John Updike was a child, as a student, so his mother used to write stories and novels, or after seeing his mother, Mr. John Updike got inspiration from her, or the writing habit, and this thing developed in his mind after seeing his mother. So it is all about Mr. John Updike. One more thing I want to tell you, कि in field of literature 4 writers have got twice the Pulitzer Prize for their excellent contribution, and Mr. John Updike is one of them. He also got twice the Pulitzer Prize. Now we should discuss the story. Dear students, this story Should Wizard Hit Mummy tells us about the conflicting views of a child and a parent about the child's future. Parents have their own expectation, they have their own opinion, or they want that their children should grow up according to their opinion and according to their expectations. But the children have their own aspiration. Children have their own objectives. So here in this story we will discuss that how the expectations of parents and aspiration of children vary to each other. We have to discuss in this story. Should Wizard Hit Mummy? Dear students, in this the central character is Roger Skunk. Roger, the hero of the story, an animal, and the first character is Jack, who is father and who used to tell the story to his daughter Jo, and Claire is his wife, mother of Jo. And Roger Skunk, or he tells the stories to his daughter Jo every Saturday, or his daughter is habitual to listen the stories told by her father. Every Saturday it was the routine that Mr. Jack used to tell the story to his daughter Jo, or this tradition of telling the story started when Jo was only 2 years old. This process of telling the story was started when Jo was only 2 years old, or every Saturday Mr. Jack used to tell the story to his daughter Jo. But one thing I want to tell you, dear children, in every story one thing is common, that the main character of the story is Roger. Sometime he used to make the character like Roger Chipmunk. Sometime he create the character Roger Fish, and sometime he create the character Roger Squirrel. And the content in all the stories are almost same, only the title is changed. Because in every story the hero or the main character of the story, which is an animal, has some problem, or whenever that in the story is created by Mr. Jack, or in every story the Roger has some problem, or for that problem firstly he visits to wise old owl to discuss and to take the advice of wise old owl. Wise old owl listen his problem, used to listen his problem every time, but he is not in position to give the solution to him, to give the final solution. So after listening the story, the wise old owl used to advise Roger to go to the wizard who was living over the creek. Or this wizard was living in an old house, dusty house, dirty house. Or after that, the Roger used to visit to wizard. Wizard is a magician who knows magic, who knows very well that how the problem can be solved. Dear students, and this wizard with his magic band, with his magic stick, used to solve the problem of this created character of Mr. Jack, means of Mr. Roger. Dear children, every time the Roger used to go to wizard to solve his problem, and every time wizard with his magic band used to solve the problem of Roger. And after solving the problem, he used to take money also, fees also. Or if every time it happened in the story that the character which is created by Mr. Jack, means Roger, every time it has less money, or then Mr. Wizard used to tell him about one of the magic well. There Roger used to go and used to take the remaining amount, and after that Roger was giving money to the wizard. This thing was happening in every story. And I have told you that Jack used to tell his little daughter Jo bedstories, or in this particular story, should wizard hit mummy? On that day, dear children, when his daughter demanded to again tell the story, so Mr. Jack was unable to tell any new story. Daughter was knowing this thing because she was knowing that her father used to tell only just change the title of the character, and the main hero in the every story is Roger. So father asked to daughter, who will be today in the story? So finally the daughter told her father that for that day story, the hero and main character will be Roger Skunk. So Mr. Jack started the story with character Roger Skunk. Roger Skunk is a small animal who smells very bad. Or due to smelling bad, dear children, the other creatures, the other animals in the woodland, in the forest, they disliked him. They hated him. Or they did not play with him. Seeing this, Mr. Roger Skunk was very sad, because he was not getting opportunity to play with the other animals in the woodland. So finally, being sad, dear children, once again he visited to wise old owl, or whenever he visited the wise old owl, as it happened in the previous stories of Mr. Jack, that wise old owl used to give the suggestion to go to the wizard. In every story, the Roger has some problem, or in this story, the Roger skunk has problem of smelling bad. So for that, he firstly visit to the wise old owl. But the problem is not solved by Mr. Wise Old Owl. So he advised him to go and to visit wizard. Dear students, finally he visits visits magician, or you can say wizard. Or wizard asked his problem. He told his problem. Roger Skunk told his problem in details. Due to his bad smell, the children in the wood, the animals in the woodland, they didn't like him and they didn't play with him. Due to that, he was very sad, or he wanted to change his smell. So wizard asked which smell he liked. So he replied that he liked to smell like roses. Roses. He responded. He replied that he wants to smell to like a rose. So after that, dear children, according to the demand and according to the expectation of that Roger Skunk, wizard took his magic band and finally he converted that Roger Skunk from bad smell to a smell of rose. So what I want to tell you, he started smelling very good, and that fragrance of rose made happy not only to Roger Skunk, dear children, but it made happy to the animals of the woodland. Or after changing and after giving fee to the wizard, some money he had and some money he took from the magic well, and after solving his problem and after getting this good smell, good fragrance, when he came back to the woodland, the other animals, they were very happy. They came near to him and they played with him whole day. Or in the evening when he went to his home for taking his supper, his mother became very angry. Or she asked question that who changed his smell. Finally he told that wizard had changed. She became angry and took Mr. Roger Skunk to the wizard, and even with umbrella she hit on the head of wizard for changing the smell of her son without asking her, because she believes in individuality. She believes that whatever fragrance, whatever smell they had, they are famous for that. Or without asking, Mr. Wizard should not have changed the smell of her son. Wizard was very much frightened. After that, he changed the smell and gave him his previous smell. Now again the Roger Skunk started smelling bad. Dear students, so he came home. We cannot say that mother loved less to her son. But whatever is finally, dear children, is better for the children. parents can know very well children are immature, children are not enough wise enough, so they don't know what is good and what is good and what is bad for them. But here the parents knows very well what is good for their children. So for the good of her child, Bizard's mother forced her son to come in her previous smell and to live in that. This is all about this story, dear children. I have told you the summary of the chapter Should Wizard Hit Mummy? Though Joe is not agree with that, because in every story there is a happy ending, or in this story there is a not happy ending, because Joe doesn't agree with this decision of Roger Skunk's mother that Roger Skunk should smell badly. We will discuss tomorrow line by line. I hope you must have understood the summary. Thank you, dear children.